Hello students, today we will discuss about chapter 1 Introduction to Political Science, Meaning, Scope and Nature of Political Science, page number 6. Today's our topic is explain the traditional view of difference between politics and political science. Politics is concerned with the day-to-day actual activities of the government, whereas political science seeks to study and explain the theory of fundamental principles, origin, nature, scope and power of the state and government. Then second is politics means the actual behavior of politics, that is those political activities which actually take place in society. On the other hand, political science is social science which studies state and government. And third, politics is practical activities, whereas political science involves unacademic exercise involving the study of the state and government. The number 4, politics differ from state to state and each state from time to time. The principles of political science are universal. Politics in India and Britain is different, but the theory of political science is very similar in both the countries. The number 5 is whereas each one of us is involved in the politics, and political science is studied only by the students of this social discipline, and politicians are engaged in politics, whereas researchers, teachers and students of political science study the state and government. And number 6 is the difference between politics and political science is reflected by the fact that a politician takes part in politics without studying political science, and a student of political science may or may not take an active part in politics. Very often a person having knowledge of political science fails to act successful in politics.